The South African Reserve Bank has announced a 25 basis rate cut interest rates, lowering the repo rate from 7.75% to 7.50%. Moreover, the prime lending rate will also decrease from 11.25% to 11%. Additionally, Governor Lesetja Kganyago indicated that this move aims to stimulate economic growth, projecting an increase to around 2% by 2027. Economist Kogetso Manu provides additional analysis on this decision.
The MPC's decision to cut interest rates by another 25 basis points at their January 2025 meeting comes as expected. So the repo rate has settled at 7.5%, down from 8.25%, which was the peak of the hiking cycle that ended in 2023. Since the September 2024 meeting, we have had a cumulative 75 basis points worth of cuts being delivered by the MPC, which we think really highlights relative comfort with the inflation trajectory. As things stand, at the end of 2024, inflation was still at the lower end of the inflation target band of 3 to 6%. And we anticipate that it will remain below 4.5%, which is what the MPC is targeting in the first half of this year, before rising in the second half. That said, inflation should remain broadly anchored at 4.5% over the medium term. This, alongside the continued deceleration in surveyed inflation expectations, which tend to be backward looking, but highlight how price setters, wage negotiators are thinking through inflation over the medium term. Those have trended towards, the 4.5% target. So that has also been supportive to the MPC's decision to reduce the restrictiveness of monetary policy on the economy. This should be quite a big help to consumers, especially those that have experienced financial constraints over the high inflation period, as well as the cost of living crisis. Going forward, we are concerned that the MPC has highlighted upside inflation risks to the forecast. This was also coupled with the concerns around a challenging global economic backdrop. So we anticipate that this will keep them quite cautious going forward. We've already seen the Fed pausing the interest rate cutting cycle at yesterday's meeting.